Chapter 2, the last rule that we're going to see is rule number 9, dealing with triphthongs. Triphthongs are 3 vowels in a row, and the 3 vowels is a weak, strong, weak. This is the only way how to form a triphthong. You can have any other different type of combination, a strong, weak, strong, but it will not be a triphthong. Again, remember that weak vowel is an I or a U. A strong vowel is A, E, O, I with an accent or U with an accent. The example that I have in the notes for you is graduáis. It's common to see the vosotros form of conjugated present tense verbs. That will have triphthongs. That's where you're going to most commonly see it. We're going to start off by labeling consonants and vowels. Then we want to go ahead and start analyzing vowel to vowel. This is rule number 1. Here we have 3 vowels, so I can automatically say, fine, it's a triphthong because I'm in this lesson, but you want to be careful and make sure that it is a triphthong. A weak U, a weak I, and therefore we won't break it up because triphthongs are all within 1 syllable. I go ahead and add these 2 consonants that are hanging and attach them to the vowel when I transcribe. Similar to what we saw previously in rule number 8, there can only be 1 vowel per syllable. Here we have 3, so we're going to apply the same rules as we saw previously. Any weak vowel in the first position will change into a semiconsonant. Any weak vowel in the second position will change into a semi-vowel. So I'm going to rewrite this using the correct transcription. Okay. My other word that I'm going to do for you is esquiáis, to ski, or you all ski. I am going to label everything. Okay, remember here, QU, it's not esquiáis, it's esquiáis. We will not analyze that U, it kind of disappears. So that QU is only going to be 1 consonant. Vowel, 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 consonant. Then I want to go ahead and start applying my rules. Vowel to vowel is a rule where we don't have a cluster here. So we divide it right down the middle. Here's our triphthong. So triphthongs don't get changed, and everything else that you see here is added to the back. So what I'm going to do now is transcribe using my division that I have. Okay, that U just kind of just attaches itself to the Q even though we don't pronounce it. We have too many vowels here. We know that these are weak. This first I in the triphthong changes to a J. And this I in the second position of the triphthong changes into the semi-vowel. So it's esquiáis, and that's how you're going to pronounce it. And then you're going to take one more step. QU changes to a K. You could have done this change earlier, doesn't matter. You could have done it up here. But as long as you take the time to change that.